Ever wonder why so many people and companies use live webinars? Or why so many products have live webinars before they launch? Well, they are actually very effective, and they simply work. Webinars are one of the most powerful, lead-generating, sales-making tools available. However, there are several problems with doing live webinars. First of all, creating and running webinars are not easy at all, even though they are extremely successful. In addition, webinar software is expensive, sometimes costing several hundred to thousands of dollars each year. Also, as a moderator, you have to sit there and actually run the webinar or workshop from start to finish. And then, what if the times you set for the live webinars don't fit the times for your targeted audience? My. That's a lot to digest for anyone wanting to do live webinars. Well, that's all about to change. Let me introduce you to the best and easiest way to host webinars that eliminates all the hassles with doing those live webinars. It's time for Webinaro. Webinaro Automated Webinars is an amazing webinar platform that creates automated, evergreen, on-demand, and just-in-time webinars for you. All this is done without you not even being near your computer when your webinars are broadcasted. Listen, I can talk on and on about how great Webinaro is and why you need to get this. However, let's just take a look at one of the best features about Webinaro. That's the Done For You webinar feature.
Hey guys, Brett here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Done For You webinar feature that we provide inside of Webinaro. This is going to allow you to sell one of Mike and my high-ticket coaching products, earning you $495 affiliate commissions from every sale that you generate with a webinar that you do not have to create and that you do not have to actually run. So the first thing you want to do is create a new webinar. And as you can see, I've created a new webinar and I'm on the edit page to edit that webinar. Now, I'm going to go ahead and assume that you've already clicked the link below this video to sign up as an affiliate. If you haven't, go ahead and click the link below this video. Head over to JVZoo. If you're not a JVZoo member, sign up for JVZoo and request to be an affiliate. When you request to be an affiliate, you need to make sure that you put your webinar receipt ID in the comments section so that way you can get approved. Okay, so assuming you have all that done, the next thing you need to do is set up your webinar. And as I said, I've created a new webinar and I'm on the edit page for that webinar. What I'm going to do is go ahead and click Load Done For You webinar. And that's going to load the pre-made information for the webinar. Everything that's needed is now automatically filled out for me. The only thing that you need to do is enter in your affiliate link as the call to action. So I'm going to go over here to main settings. And you can see there are actually two sections where you can enter in an affiliate link. The first one is the redirect URL. I'm going to go ahead and enter in my affiliate link for this product inside of that redirect URL field. So I'm going to go over here to JVZoo. I'm going to get my link for this particular product. I'm going to grab it and I'll enter it in right there. Now, when anybody clicks on the call to action button inside of the webinar presentation, they will go to my affiliate link. The last thing I want to do is automatically redirect people who complete the webinar to my affiliate link. This way, after the webinar is over, they don't just see a blank screen, they automatically go to my affiliate link to pick up the product. And I'm going to put that in the video and redirect section. So I'll just paste that right in there as well. I'll click on Save and Exit, and I now have a Done For You webinar promoting a high-ticket product that I didn't have to create, that I didn't have to set up, that I don't have to run because it will run on autopilot for me.
Once your Webinaro is set up and online, your audience registers on your customized sign-up page. Keep in mind that you are also building that coveted email list with these signees. Then the simulated Webinaro starts, and the attendees are inside the webinar that has started. Now, let's take a look at the Webinaro interface and how everything comes together.
Here, along with my partner, Brett Rutecki. Welcome to today's workshop where we're going to be talking about how to turn free videos into thousands of dollars in profit. in your spare time simply by uploading them to YouTube.
So, as you can see, it's very easy to start a webinar using a done-for-you webinar. Now, here's the thing, you can upload any MP4 video to Webinaro software to use as your webinar. That's right, practically any MP4 video will work in Webinaro. You can also add handouts at any time you want in the webinar. These handouts need to be in a zip file and can be documents, video MP3 files, etc. Webinaro Automated Webinars is a top-notch webinar, workshop, teaching portal and marketing tool that will greatly enhance your audience reach. Your webinars are all done on autopilot, running whenever you need them to run. There's no software to install, and all the training and tutorials are inside the members area to get you up and running in no time at all. And the best part is, there are no monthly fees to use Webinaro. If you are camera shy, then Webinaro is perfect for conducting webinars, as all you need are your videos and any applicable handouts. In addition, you can add any call to actions that you want to show your audience right inside the actual webinar while it is running. As you can see, Webinaro is ready for you to start using right away. If you are not using webinars, or at least using your videos as simulated webinars, then you are really missing out on one of the best tools you can get your hands on. Right now, Webinaro is available for the lowest price possible. But the price will be rising shortly. It's time for you to get started with Webinaro. Just click the link below or visit www.bizadpros.com/webinaro. Again, that's www.bizadpros.com/webinaro. We'll see you on the other side. Thanks for watching.